Hey guys, welcome back. Today is our day 3 of our art boot camp. Today we'll be learning the basics of torso. So, how does everything? Let's start. So, what is the torso? Torso is basically our upper portion of the body. It consists our chest, the abs, and I feel it consists the pelvis as well, because whenever I'm drawing a torso, whenever I draw a pose and I consider torso, you have to look into the pelvis as well. So I consider the whole upper portion above the legs and below the neck, the torso. So how do we build torso using boxes? It's really simple. You just need to learn how to draw boxes. So we start up with a straight box for our chest and the rib cage. This would be this portion here. Now comes our tummy. I'll give a bit rounded, as I've seen in a lot of videos. They give rounded tummies, so I'll give rounded as well. It's easier to distinguish them. And then comes the pelvis. There we go. Above comes our head, below is our legs, sorry, and then comes our arms. So we'll focus only on the torso for now. So a torso facing front, how would it look like? It would be just simply a box, the tummy, and the pelvis. The upper portion is bigger than the lower portion. Why? Because the upper portion consists of the chest and half of the abs. Then comes the tummy, this portion. Then comes the pelvis. So I keep the upper portion the biggest. Now a torso facing in a different direction, right or left. Now see, here it looks like we're looking at this torso from the top. Why is that? Because I've kept the upper face of the torso wide. If I reduce this, see how it changes. It's simply magic. See? Now it seems like it's looking here, and we're looking at it from more of a front direction. And if we want to keep it more towards the front, we'll have to erase a bit more. Shift the angle of the edges. Now it looks like we're looking at it more towards from the front. This or this or this. As you increase the surface area of whichever place you increase, it seems like we are facing towards it more. It's facing towards it more. So if you want to face the torso to the left side, we're going to keep the bigger portion, the bigger portion towards the left. See, now it's facing this direction. So whichever direction you want to face it, keep the bigger portion of the box that direction. And if you want to have the angle from the upper end, keep the upper portion big. If you want to keep it small, keep the upper portion small. How to twist? Twisting would be facing the upper portion in one direction, but the middle portion in this direction, same direction, as it was, and the pelvis in the other direction. See, here's a twist. Now, how to bend the torso? Bending the torso would be bending the upper portion, which is the cuboid, the tummy remains the same, and so does our pelvis. Now we are bending, twisting and bending. So let's bend. Now the tummy, then our pelvis. There we go. So the subject is bending this way, but his body is facing this way. You can even keep the tummy a bit, give it a bit of an edge, and move it here. There we go. More like it. So I would suggest keep practicing from each of these. Keep practicing each of the angles, twisting and bending the whole 90-degree bend here, and stretching. Keep practicing, and the next day, tomorrow, we'll add limbs to this, and then we'll see how to add the muscles and make it more realistic. Thank you guys for watching. These are short videos and like support. Please subscribe, please support, and let's grow this channel.